Hello, what's up? Today we're going to try with installing Xtreme-Firmware in your Fliper Zero. This is an alternative version of firmware to your Fliper Zero, and we are going to try installing it. So let's get started. I have already connected my Fliper Zero via the Fliper Flipper app, and I went to the website called github.com Fliper Xtreme-Firmware. Here is a firmware which is located here in this URL. There are different ways of installing the Xtreme-Firmware. So let's get started. One is the web updater. Another one is you have to download the package and extract the package. So let's try with the first method, web updater. So I'm into this website. So this only works on this website. Only works in Chrome. I tried in Firefox. It says disabled. So let's try connecting it. So connect to a serial port. Yeah, obviously. Let's connect it. So I did click connect, but is it working? Let me refresh this page. And does it actually work? Make sure your okay. Oh, I haven't followed this. Make sure your Flipper is closed. Let me close it. Click connect and flash and wait for the update. Wow. I haven't read the instructions. Waiting for Fliper Zero. Should I do something? Select your Flipper from the list. Let me disconnect it. Oh, okay. This is kind of okay. So I had to disconnect and reconnect it. So here is it. The firmware says 9.0.941. Database installed. Flash. I can select versions. I want to go with the latest 9.12.23. These are the fixes: BLE spam app, proxy source. Okay, let's go ahead and flash it. So there are other ways of installing, that is, you're extracting the file, download the zip file and extract the firmware, and place the file into your Fliper Zero SD card in your root directory. And we gotta hold some buttons, and that will trigger the flash. Currently it's loading firmware files. It looks really nice, you just connect it via your browser. How does it work? So basically this is connected to your COM port, where I have connected my Fliper Zero via the cable. I wonder if there are iOS jailbreaks like this. You just connect your cable to the COM port and you just jailbreak your iPhone. That would be way too cooler. Let it go. Let's wait for it. So these are the three methods you can install the Xtreme-Firmware. Firmware folder here in your SD update. On the Flipper, hit the arrow down button. This will get you to the file menu. In there, simply search for your updates folder. Oh, it's quite simple to update. I initially thought it would be some sort of jugglery things we have to do. So currently my Fliper Zero says installing Xtreme-Firmware. Oh, I think it's done. Oh. I believe it's updated and I can see the latest update. So this still says update in progress. Shy disk. Okay, let me refresh it. That's gone. Okay, the firmware is actually installed over here. Xtreme-Firmware. I have to disconnect it again. So this is how it looks. Okay. So let me connect the Cube Flipper and show you how does it look. Okay, let me connect it back. Okay, there you go. This is how it looks. I have just enabled the watchdog screensaver. So currently the options have been changed. The UI interface. So there is the settings, Bluetooth, storage, power, passport, and here is the extreme option. So it gives an option to change the interface, graphics, watchdog. I only have watchdog, I believe. Yeah. And cycle animation, meta text, unlock animes. Credits are in default pack. Okay. Menu style. Okay, you can change the menu style. Move app, remove app, status bar, protocols. Okay, what's this miscellaneous? Oh, I believe I changed it. So that's it guys, that's it about this installation of Xtreme-Firmware. You don't have to extract and do all those things, just connect to this website. I'll just post a link in the description. Please try it and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching, peace out.